U.S. Marines with Battalion Landing Team 25, 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit, conducted tactical recovery of aircraft and personnel exercise on Camp Hansen in Okinawa, Japan, June 25, 2022. TRAP is defined as the capability to conduct overland recovery of downed aircraft and personnel, aircraft sanitation, and provide advanced trauma life support in a benign or hostile environment. The 31st MEU, the Marine Corps' only continuously forward-deployed Marine Expeditionary Unit, provides a flexible and lethal force ready to perform a wide range of military operations as the premier crisis response force in the Indo-Pacific region.